right. Einstein, are you excited? All right. Tell everybody your name. Oh, she's getting ready. She's got to clear her throat. Can you tell them your name?
Einstein.
Yes, Einstein. Say hi. Can you say hi?
Hello.
That's nice. But be polite.
That's sweetheart.
That's much better. Okay, let's start off with some animal sounds first. Can you do? Okay, got to clear the throat. Let's do a wolf. Good. How about a bird? Can you do a bird? Good. Can you do an owl? Good, owl. How about a rooster? How about a penguin? Can you do a penguin? A little bitty penguin for you. How about a chimpanzee? Good job, Einstein. Can you do a pig? Sometimes they get chunky. You think they need to go on a diet? How about diet? There you go. How about some tigers from the jungle? Yeah, they growl. What about a skunk? Stinker. Okay. Let's do some sound effects too. Spaceship. Good. Good. Spaceship with a laser. Yeah. Can you fall down? There you go. The little splat at the end. Maybe could you whisper? That's good. How about evil? Let's sing some opera. Let's sing some opera. There you go. Can you toot? Oh. Ooh, Einstein, this is a lot of hard work. Is this a lot of hard work? Yeah, it's going to wear you out. But we're not done yet. What do you think? No, we know more. How about fiesta? All right. Go crazy for everybody. Can you go crazy? Go crazy. Woo! All right, she loves the party. So can you just get down? Let's get down. Come on. Yeah, there you go. That must wear you out. You need something to drink? Here. No, you don't drink beer. You drink water. That's much better. All right, so you have to wait till later because I have a problem. What's the matter? Lost my dog. Can you call the dog? Come here. Come here. Good job, Einstein. I don't see the dog anywhere. I don't want this to be boring. Can you be boring? Oh, yeah. Well, we all love you. We know that you're famous. Are you famous? Superstar. Yeah. Okay. What do you say when it's time to go?
Bye.
Bye-bye, Einstein.
It's an easy one. He talks a little bit, but we're just going to do an easy one to warm him up, so we're going to see if he can say hi. Okay, ready? Okay? Can you say hi, Wallaby? Oh, it's okay. Don't be shy. They're nice. Ready? Can you say hi, Wallaby? Okay, wait. Okay, just calm. He's a little nervous. Just say hi, Wallaby. You're being very literal. Okay, it's a comedy. I get it. Okay. Just let's rephrase the question. How about this? Why don't you wave with your foot and just say hi? Okay, he's going to do some people sounds. Ready? Give him a big kiss. Good. And this one's very realistic. Can you cough? Very dramatic. Ready? Oh, thank you. Okay. A little Heimlich maneuver. Okay, now we're going to see if he can do a little dancing for you folks. Can you dance? Kind of a good little dance, a little warm-up. Let's try this. This is his one big impression. This will be Quallaby's impression of watching a really fast race. So it's Quallaby, but he's watching a race. It's an impression.
Yes.
Okay. Check it. Okay, ready? Ready? You're very handsome. And they're off. Meow. 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 They're kind of freaked out. Meow. Meow. Meow.
I'm sexy and I know it.